Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about political socialization. Let us start with the term political socialization. Political socialization is a key concept in the modern political analysis. Political socialization generally means socialization of masses, the process by which ordinary people develop their attitudes towards their political system. It is a process by which individuals get knowledge about the political system, political values, and beliefs. Political socialization is a process which deals with formation of attitude and public opinion towards political system, preparation of citizens to actively participate in the decision making and contributing to development of political culture. It concerns itself with orientations of the individual towards political system. The main emphasis of the concept is the transmission of political values from one generation to another generation. It is an idea that desires to achieve the goal of political stabilization. Objectives. Number one, to know the term political socialization. Number two, to know the nature or characteristics of political socialization. Third, to know the factors or agents of political socialization. Fourthly, to know the importance of political socialization. The study of political socialization seems to be one of the promising approaches to understanding political stability and development. It is one particular approach to the study of social organization, social science. Political socialization linked with the environment of society, role of society, or organization of society. Political socialization is a psychological approach. Political socialization helps the individual in the development of awareness of the political world and appreciation, judgment, and understanding of political events. It is a long process through which political culture is transmitted in a society. Political socialization as a field of study gained prominence in the late 1950s. H. Hyman, who coined the term political socialization, laid emphasis on the perpetuation of political values across generations. Almond and Powell defined political socialization as, quote, the process by which the political culture is maintained and changed, unquote. Alan Ball defines, quote, political socialization is establishment and development of attitudes to beliefs about the political system, unquote. Characteristics of political socialization. Number one, political socialization is a process which deals with the formation of attitude and public opinion towards political system. Number two, it is the most important link between the social system and political system. Third, political socialization is a universal process. This is a process that occurs in every country, in every system. Fourthly, political socialization differs from state to state. Fifth, the process of political socialization generally takes place in a casual or imperceptible manner. That is, it operates in a quiet or smooth manner without people being aware of it. 6. Political socialization is a continuous process and it goes on continuously throughout the life of an individual. 7th, with the process of political socialization, political culture passes from generation to generation. Next, types of political socialization. Political socialization may take the form of either manifest or latent. Manifest or direct political socialization. It is the manifest political socialization when it involves the explicit communication of information, value, or feeling towards political objects. The experiences with government institutions, courses in the schools giving knowledge about democracy, rights and duties, directive principles of state policy also result in direct political socialization. Second, latent or indirect political socialization. It is the transmission of non-political attitudes which affect attitudes towards analogous roles and objects in the political system. Latent political socialization involves many of the most fundamental characteristics of the general culture which have great effect on the political sphere. Now, agents of political socialization. Agents of political socialization are divided into primary agents and secondary agents. The primary agents are those that directly develop specific political orientations. The secondary agents are those less personal and are involved in the process of political socialization in a more indirect manner. According to Anmol and Powell, there are 8 main agents of political socialization. Number 1, family. The preschool political socialization structure encountered by the individual is the family. Family should be described as the child's first window to the world outside. It is the child's first contact with authority. It is in the family the child learns attitude towards others, including those in authority, both inside and outside the family. A primary influence in the development of a child's political orientation is mainly due to constant relationship between parents and the child. Thus, the child tends to identify with his parents and adopt their outlook towards the political system. Number 2, school. The school structure is a second powerful influence in political socialization. Schools play an important role in shaping attitude about the unwritten rules of the political game. Education performs the role of political socialization through the content of courses in the schools, colleges, the process of forming and conducting students' association, and through various types of intellectual, cultural, and sporting activities organized with the help of students, celebrating of regional and national festivals, through the informal relations between students and the teachers and among students themselves. They can bring awareness of other values and circumstances, providing a basis for a new aspiration. Number 3, peer groups. It is a group of approximately or the same age sharing similar problems. Peer groups become an increasingly important influence on political attitude and behavior. Peer groups play an important role in shaping values and orientations and then socialize individuals, particularly when the family ties are loosened. The peer groups provide a forum for youths to interact with people who are at a similar level of maturity. Peer groups members naturally influence each other. 4th, mass media. Mass media have probably the strongest influence to socialize people in politics, and its influence is expanding constantly through technology, allowing for more interactive media experiences. Instead of direct access to government, the media is the link between the common mass and the government. In addition to providing information about specific and immediate political events, the mass media acts over the long run to shape the individual's basic cognitive map. 5th, government and political parties. The government and party agencies influence and shape the political orientation of the people. An individual's direct contact with functioning of government structure effectively shapes his or her attitudes towards the political system. Political parties, interest groups, and pressure groups are also act as an agent of political socialization. The rallies and demonstrations organized by these groups orient the people towards political issues. The objectives and ideologies of political parties enhances the understanding of functioning of government. Direct or indirect relationship with these institutions affects the process of political socialization. 6, symbols. Symbols, both political and social, are also play an effective role in political socialization and contribute to the development of political orientations. The observation of birthdays and martyrdom days of national heroes and events of national importance like Gandhi Jayanti, May Day, Republic Day, Independence Day, Patriots Day, etc. can inculcate a new spirit among the youths. 7, experience in employment. The formal and informal organization, the union, the social club, and the like may be channels for the explicit communication of political information and beliefs. Participation in the process of collective bargaining or involvement with a strike can be powerful socializing experience for workers and employer alike. Informal groups of employees exert influence on the attitudes of their members towards political objects and events. 8. Direct contact. Finally, we come to the influence of direct contact with the political system. Direct and informal relationship with a specific elite in political system are inevitably a powerful force in shaping orientation of individuals to the system. When the individual and the system came in direct contact with each other, the process of political socialization became more powerful. Now, importance of political socialization. Political socialization brings enlightenment among the people. Secondly, it brings efficiency in the working of the political system. Third, helpful in the formation of political culture. Fourth, helpful in maintaining political culture. Fifth, it prepares the individuals or people for political role. 6, provides the link between the political system and the social system. 7, provides knowledge about the political methods. 8, provides stability to political system. In conclusion, the process of political socialization plays a significant role in the political system of every country. In order to properly understand the process of politics of a country, we must endeavor to understand the process of political socialization of that country. Political socialization also contributes in the evolution, modification, and orientations of political culture in a society. Thus, political socialization is the induction of citizens to the political culture of a particular system. Thank you.